Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is another tag video, and today I am doing the YouTube beauty community tag. So if you guys want to hear my answers to this tag, then keep watching. Alright, so I don't know who to tag for this tag, so if you haven't done this already, then do it. Tell me on Twitter if you did it, and I will watch it. Because I think everyone I would tag, same with like the last tag, everyone I would tag has been tagged or done this already, so yeah. So the first question is, what are your favorite videos to watch? I love watching makeup tutorials. I also love watching reviews and hauls. I also really like watching vlogs. I go in phases where I just binge watch vlogs. Like I could watch like David Dobrik and his little posse, like Scott, Todd, Heath, Zane, all day. I also love like any video Shane Dawson puts out. Shane Dawson is like, oh my god, I don't want to get emotional, but I binge watched his videos like 2 years ago while I was going through like a really tough time, and his videos helped me a whole lot. 2, what are your favorite videos to film? I love filming makeup tutorials, obviously, and I love to film, I really like to do reviews and hauls especially because I feel like they're just so laid back and relaxed. I also like to film vlogs. If you didn't know, I have a vlog channel. That's always linked down below. Go subscribe. 3, what are your least favorite videos to watch? I don't like gaming videos. I think they're really boring. I just don't really like playing like video games. I guess that's why. Number 4, what is your favorite thing about the beauty community? Number 1, I just love seeing how other people are so creative and how they like use other palettes that I have, and just like they talk about products that I've never heard of or seen before, and I just think that's so cool. I feel like smaller YouTubers that are in the beauty community know about more products that are different, and especially there's some girls that I watch that do like indie brands, and I just think that's so cool because I never really knew about indie brands until I started watching them. So it's really interesting to see them talk about these smaller brands that I would love to buy from one day. And the second thing is that I've just met so many cool people from around the world. It's just like insane to me. Number 5, what is your least favorite thing about the beauty community? So obviously the one thing is that I hate that some people are just so nasty and rude. And what baffles my mind even more is that a lot of the people, and women and men, whatever, are grown-ups, have kids. Like, is that what you want to teach your kid? Because I just think that it's just insane to me that people act that way as grown-ups. Like, it's crazy to me. And I also hate that if someone does a look that is slightly similar, like, and when I say slightly similar, I mean like they use the same color, but like it's not the same look at all, how like crazy mad people get. Like the other day, ShanXO did a look, and people were like attacking her on Twitter, and they're like, you stole this, you stole this, you stole this. And like the looks were not all the same. And they were like, you have to give credit where credit's due. And she's like, I never saw this picture before. I don't know who this is. And the looks were nothing alike. Like, I just think that's getting a little out of hand because I keep seeing that everywhere. I try to get credit where credit is due. And like if I see something on Pinterest, I will tell you guys, I saw this on Pinterest, here's the link, here's the picture. But I mean, sometimes the looks are going to be similar, especially around like holiday season. Like it's gonna happen, because how many red and green tutorials can you possibly do? Like it's bound to happen where there's going to be similar looks, whether you got inspiration from the person or not. It's literally bound to happen. Number 6, what motivated you to start YouTube? I've talked about this before in past like Q&As and tags and whatever, but I'll talk about it now because I have gained a lot more subscribers since those videos. But basically in 2014, I was working at Sweet and Sassy, and I was bored one day and I was just on YouTube, and I didn't really know about the beauty community, and I stumbled upon it. And I was like, oh my god, this looks so fun, I want to do it, like, whatever. Like, I really wanted to do YouTube, and ever since then, I got hooked. And then 2 years later, a year later? I guess it was a year later, I was working a horrible job. I was making $5 an hour. So in total, I was making $30 a week because I was working 3 days for 2 hours a day. So I was making $30 a week, and it was just horrible. And I was just like, you know what? I'm going to start YouTube because I need a creative outlet. I needed someone to talk to because I have no friends. And that's kind of just what motivated me. And here we are, 1,000 subscribers later, which is still insane to me. Like 1,000 people. It's crazy. Number 7, who inspires you most on YouTube? ShanXO definitely inspires me. Carly Bible, Desi, Katie. Those are like the main people I like love to watch. Nikki Tutorials. They like all inspire me a whole lot. Number 9, what is the one thing you would change about the beauty community? This kind of ties in with question number 5. I just wish people were nicer, not so competitive. Like, let's just do this for fun. It's makeup. Like, makeup has no rules. Let's just all have fun here. Let's all be friends. Like, thank you. Like, let's just all get along. Number 9, what is the number 1 advice you would give to other YouTubers / new YouTubers? And that is to be patient with growing your channel. I feel like I constantly see people saying like, why isn't my channel growing? It's growing so slow, blah, blah, blah. You have to be patient. You have to just let it grow organically. You're not going to get 1 million subscribers overnight. I have been at this for 2 years and I just hit 1,000 subscribers a little after like my 2-year YouTube anniversary. So it takes time. Be consistent. Comment on other people's videos to grow your channel. Be yourself. Don't be fake. It's so easy to spot a fake person, especially since so many people are fake on YouTube. It's insane. Just be your genuine self and people will subscribe to you and they will love you. Don't let the hate get to you. I've received nasty hate comments before and I've tweeted about it, and my cousin told me to remember that they are losers sitting in their mom's basement drinking Starbucks with nothing else better to do because they have no job. And I always remember that because it's probably true. And most people never have profile pictures on their Google account, so it probably really is true. And the last question, which is question number 10, what do you love about YouTube? I feel like I answered this already, but I love that I have met so many cool people. I love that I can get creative and just be myself and like have someone to talk to. I genuinely don't have friends. I really, really don't. I never really have anyone to talk to. I never hang out with anyone. My life is pretty much wake up, bring my dad to work, get my little sister from school. If it's a Wednesday or a Thursday, go get my mom from work. If it's a Monday, Tuesday, or Friday, go to work, come home, eat dinner, work out, shower, watch Netflix or Hulu, and go to bed. Like, that's my life. I don't hang out with anyone. And I just love that, like, I've made friends on YouTube, and it's so cool. And I just love feeling like I'm talking to you guys, and you guys are my friends. So, yeah. And that is it for this tag. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. Follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions, please let me know in the comments down below. I love getting your suggestions. Or if you just want to leave a comment saying, hey, please do that too. And that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!